some words which are given below. We will understand the meaning and form sentences with those words. The first homophones are B, B-E-E-N and B-E-A-N. B-E-E-N means to have gone to a place. B-E-A-N means a type of seed. I have been to the park last Sunday. We ate beans and bread for lunch. The next homophones are bear, B-E-A-R, a type of wild animal, and B-A-R-E means empty. The brown bear climbed the tree. The fridge was bare of all chocolates. The next homophones are buy, B-Y-E, to wish someone a happy journey. B-U-Y means to make purchase. I wished my aunt bye-bye at the airport. I went to buy a toy with my mother. The next homophone is dear. D-E-A-R, someone you love. D-E-E-R, a wild animal which is very pretty. My friends are very dear to me. I saw a spotted deer in the zoo. Next homophones are find. F-I-N-D means to discover something. F-I-N-E-D means to pay a penalty. My friend and I went to find the missing cat. My father was fined rupees 200 for not wearing a helmet.
You will notice that the two words when pronounced sounds the same but they have different meanings. I'll repeat. You will notice that the two words when pronounced sounds the same but they have different meanings. So these kinds of words are called homophones. So today's topic is about homophones. What are homophones? Homo means same, phones means sound. Thus homophones are words which have the same sound but different meaning. I'll repeat it again. Homophones are words which have the same sound but different meaning. Let us have some fun with homophones. I'll read the first word, ate, ate. Rishi ate 8 spoons of jam under the table. I'll repeat. Rishi ate 8 spoons of jam under the table. The second one is aunt, aunt. A red ant bit my aunt in the garden. I'll repeat. A red ant bit my aunt in the garden. The next word is bored, bored. The student was bored and did not copy the lesson from the board. I'll repeat. The student was bored and did not copy the lesson from the board. Next one is blue, blue. Her blue dress blew away in the wind. I'll repeat. Her blue dress blew away in the wind. Now here, bee, bee. Can the buzzing bee be quiet? I'll repeat. Can the buzzing bee be quiet? Here, band, band. The music band was band playing near the hospital. I'll repeat. The music band was band playing near the hospital. Let's do some worksheet using homophones. Choose the correct word to fill in the blanks. I'll read the sentence. You tell me which homophones will come in the blank. First one, there is a dash in the ground. They've given two options. One is WHOLE, another one is HOLE. HOLE means a small opening. WHOLE means one single piece. So what will come here? HOLE, hole in the ground. There is a hole in the ground. Second one, I want my dash of cake now. They've given two options, PEACE and PIECE, piece of cake. So, which piece will come? PEACE means come, PIECE means a small portion. So, I want my piece of cake now. PIECE, piece of cake now. Third one, we will go to Nagaland this dash. They've given two options, week and weak, week. So which week means here consists of 7 days or days of the week. Weak means not strong. So what will come here? We will go to Nagaland this week. Week, week. Fourth one, dash train is late by a dash. Here they've given two options, HOUR, OUR, R. HOUR means measurement of time, OUR means belong to us. So our train is late by an hour. HOUR means measurement of time, OUR means belonging to us. So our train is late by an hour. OUR, our train is late by an HOUR. Fifth one, we dash dinner by dash. They've given two options, 8, ATE means eating, EIGHT means number 8. So what will come here? We ate dinner by 8. First option will come ATE, second is EIGHT 8. So we ate dinner by 8. So I'll read the sentence again. The first one is, there is a hole in the ground, HOLE, hole in the ground. Second one, I want my PIECE, piece of cake now. Third one, we will go to Nagaland this week, WEEK, week. Fourth one, ROUR, train is late by an hour, HOUR, hour. Fifth one, we ate, ATE, 8, dinner by 8, EIGHT, 8. Write the homophones for these words. I'll read the words and I'll give you the clue. You have to find out the other homophones. Okay. The first one is deer. They have given a clue, a wild animal which is very pretty. What will come here? Deer. DEER, deer. The second one is tail. They have given an option. Most animals have it in the back. What is that? Tail. TAIL, tail. Third one, know. To have an idea of things. What know will come here? KNOW, know. Fourth one, sun. It rises in the east every morning. Which sun will come here? Yes, SUN, sun. Fifth one, right. They have given an option, the opposite of wrong. What right will come here? RIGHT, right. So deer, deer, tail, tail, no, no, sun, sun, right, right. DEAR, DEER, TALE, TAIL, tail, NO, KNOW, SON, SUN. Fifth one, WRITE, RIGHT, right. Can you guess the homophones from the picture? What is the first picture? Bye. Next one is bye. This bye is to say safe journey or happy journey. We say bye. This is to buy something from the shop. The third picture is sun, which rises in the east in the early morning. And what is this? We have son or daughter at home. So SUN, SON. And hair, 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 HARE, hair. BYE, by, BUY, by. SUN, sun, SON, sun. HAIR, hair, HARE, hair. Thank you, children. Stay safe till we meet in the next video.
Homophone monkey sits in a tree, thinking of tricks to play on me. His homophones, they sound the same, but mean something different, that's his game. He offered me a flower, pretty and white, then dumped flour on my head, what a sight. He winked at my shoes, did I want a new pair, then handed me a pair Now that wasn't fair. I giggled and said, look at your hair. He felt his head and a hair was there. My homophones, they sound the same, but mean something different. That's my